Welcome to MyVitalHome. This walkthrough will show you everything MyVitalHome can do so you can get the most out of it right away. Let's start with the dashboard. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the Home Health Score. This is a dynamic score that reflects how well you're keeping up with your home maintenance. The higher the score, the better shape your home is in. Below that, you'll see your stat cards. These show your overdue items and your total number of appliances, systems, and contacts. Next, you have your upcoming maintenance and your recent activity. Below that, you'll see pro tips. These are helpful home maintenance advice that rotate with either a page refresh or the button next to pro tips, so you're always learning something new. And if any of your appliances or systems have warranty expiration dates configured, you'll see warranty alerts right on your dashboard so nothing sneaks up on you. Now let's take a look at systems. These are things that are built into your home, like your furnace, AC, water heater, and electrical panel. When you add a system, you give it a name, select a category, enter the brand, model, and serial number. You can set the install date and last service date to keep your service history accurate. And if your system is linked to a maintenance task, the last service date is updated automatically when that task is completed. You also have the option to link a service provider contact so you always know who to call. And use the notes field for anything else you want to remember about that system. If you selected that you have a home warranty plan during onboarding or in your profile, you'll see the option to flag whether that system is covered. You can also track the system's own warranty expiration date, and MyVitalHome will alert you before it expires. Finally, you can set a reminder lead time override for that specific system. By default, MyVitalHome uses a global reminder setting from your profile to notify you when tasks are coming up. But sometimes you need more notice for certain systems. For example, you might want a month's notice before your furnace needs its annual service, so you have time to schedule a technician, but only a day's notice for something simple like checking your smoke detectors. The reminder lead time override lets you customize that on a system by system basis without changing your global setting. You can also export your full systems list directly from this page, which comes in handy when filing an insurance claim, selling your home, or sharing details with the contractor. Next, we have appliances. These are things like your refrigerator, dishwasher, washer, dryer, and other household appliances. The fields here are similar to systems, so I won't go through them all again, but one thing that is different is the location field. This field lets you specify where in your home the appliance is, like the kitchen, laundry room, or basement. This is helpful if you have multiple appliances of the same type in different areas of your home. Free accounts can add up to 5 systems and 5 appliances, but there is no limit for Pro or Pro Plus accounts. And just like systems, you can export your full appliance list directly from this page. Here we have contacts. This is where you store all of your service providers and contractors. For each contact, you can save their name, trade or skill, phone number, email address, website, and any notes you want to keep about them. Think of the contact page as your personal home services directory. The phone number, email, and website on each contact card are clickable so you can call, email, or visit their site directly from this page. And as we saw earlier, you can link contacts directly to your systems and appliances so you always know who to call when something needs attention. Let's talk about maintenance. The first thing you'll see is seasonal prep. This is a checklist of things to do each season based on the climate conditions you select during onboarding or in your profile. So, if you have cold winters with snow, you'll get tasks like winterizing your pipes and checking your heating system before the season hits. These update automatically as the seasons change, so you always know what's coming up. Below are your custom maintenance tasks. Once you've added your systems and appliances, MyVitalHome automatically generates tasks based on what you have. So if you add a furnace, it creates tasks like replacing the filter or scheduling a yearly inspection with recommended frequencies already set. And as you add or remove systems and appliances, tasks are automatically generated or removed to match. When you add a custom task, you can set the title, category, priority, frequency, due date, add notes, and link it to a specific appliance or system. You can also edit any task to change the frequency, due date, and link it to a specific appliance or system. Each task also includes step-by-step DIY instructions, subscription service guidance, and professional service advice, so no matter how you prefer to handle your home maintenance, MyVitalHome has you covered. Next up is the service log. This is your home's complete maintenance history. When you complete a task, it is automatically logged here. You can also manually add entries for any work done on your home that isn't tied to a task. When you add an entry, you can record the service item, date completed, cost, whether it was completed by yourself or a professional, the service provider, link it to a specific appliance or system, and any notes or details you want to remember. And if you have household members connected to your profile, the service log shows who completed each task so everyone stays on the same page. Now at the top, you'll see your total investment. This is a running total of everything you've spent on your home maintenance. Because your service history can get pretty long, you can filter the logs by category, date range, and whether the work was done by yourself or a professional. And just like systems and appliances, you can export your service log as a PDF or CSV file. Let's look at the Home Assistant. This is MyVitalHome's built-in AI that you can ask anything about your home. To help you get started, the page suggests questions based on your home profile, so you're never looking at a blank screen wondering what to ask. The more information you add about your home, your systems, appliances, location, and service history, the more personalized the answers become. Instead of a generic answer about water heaters, it knows you have a gas water heater installed in 1999 and can give you advice specific to that. Let's move on to Profile. This is where you manage everything about your account and home. Starting at the top, we have account information, where you update your name and email address, and quick actions like save changes, which you will want to be sure to click anytime you make changes on this page. You can also export your entire home profile or select only certain segments to export. You can also reset your password or delete your account. For Pro and Pro Plus accounts, you will see household members. This is one of the standout features of MyVitalHome. You can invite others to share your home profile and account level, yet they will get their own login. Household members are invited on a per home profile basis, so Pro Plus users can invite different members to different home profiles. Speaking of home profiles, this is where you can update your home details and quickly add more systems or appliances similar to the onboarding step. And if you have a Pro Plus account, this is also where you can add additional home profiles or switch between profiles. Pro Plus accounts can add up to 5 home profiles, which is great for landlords or vacation property owners. Then you have email reminders, where you control how and when you receive maintenance digest emails and how far in advance you get notified before tasks are due. Finally, you have billing and subscription. This is where you can view your current plan, upgrade to Pro or Pro Plus, or manage your subscription. Last but not least, we have the support page. If you ever need help, this is where to go. There's a full how-to guide that walks you through every feature in the app, an FAQ section for common questions, a known issues section so you're always aware of anything we're actively working on, and a contact us form to reach us directly. We are here to help. And that's MyVitalHome in a nutshell. The app is available on the web at app.myvitalhome.com and in the Apple Store. Just search MyVitalHome or use the link in the description. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out our blog at myvitalhome.com, where we publish tips and guides regularly. And follow us on Instagram at MyVitalHome for app updates and home maintenance content. Thanks for being here, and welcome to Knowing Your Home's Vitals.